Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves, and Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for being here. Now, we've got the Advent calendar giveaway, and I've got a surprise about that. We're going to do that at the end, but I'm also going to do a shave real quick. I want to talk about Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Douglas Fir, and this is 2024's Hollow label. It did not make it for 25, barely I guess, because it will be coming out this Friday. I have actually the Splash and the Star Jelly, and as you can see, the jelly's not open. The Splash I just opened. I bought this back in 2024, and I have yet to use it, guys, so we're going to use it right now. It's another one that just got put back in the stock and have not pulled it out yet, so we're pulling it out right now. Now, releases this Friday. The first 50 get a limited Hollow label, and I hear there might be a new label overall for the whole collection. Scent profile is a fresh winter crisp balsam fir, black sage, just a pinch it says. Jerusalem pine, benzoin, a rich resinous evergreen and herbaceous sweetness with coumarin and young coniferous undertones. The scent of the season for sure. And it is a pine bomb. It's sweet though. There's a lot of sweetness. Not like sugary sweet, but just in the note, in the sense of the notes. It's really beautiful. And I'm not sure why I have not, honestly, I'd forgotten I hadn't used this when it got put back, and that's why I haven't used it. For the hardware, I'm still rocking with the Goodfellas Smile Libra. Very, very, very happy with this razor so far. I've had 3 shaves in. This will be the 4th. We're going for a head shave again today because my shave with the Libra yesterday for New Year's Eve was so good. I really don't have enough to shave right now. It's crazy. Going to be using the Peregrino, and that's about it. So let's get things rocking and rolling with the shave. Hope everyone had a very fun and safe New Year's Eve. Hope there's not too many of y'all nursing any hangovers today, and if you are, good job. That means you had a great time, if you can remember it. All right, let's get a little bit of water there. And I am looking forward to this. I've been smelling it all morning. It smells so good. And that is really all we're going to need. But yet I keep going. Why? Don't know why I keep trying to load that. All right. Let's rinse that out. Set that there. Let's get the glasses off. And the head wet. Beautiful, beautiful day today. I am not doing anything. Well, I got some things I need to do, but I took the week off, and that's another reason why I haven't really posted any videos, because I just kind of took a break after Christmas. I posted the giveaway video, a little quick 5-minute, and then I did do a New Year's Eve one, just because I wanted to wish everybody a happy New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. And of course, I promised y'all the giveaway video today, so here we are. But I just took a little time to just recharge the batteries. I took off time from work. Just been relaxing. Where'd that go? I've been getting some stuff done. A few things around the house. Not as much as I had hoped to get done while I was off, but you know how that goes. I still have quite a few more days. I'm not going back to work till the 5th. And so I still have through the weekend and everything to try to get those things done I had planned. One of them is to get my shave den organized, because I have so many of you keep asking me for a den tour, but right now it is a mess. Now, whenever you saw my video at my desk, what you see is what I wanted you to see. You didn't see anything on the floor. I've got boxes on the floor. I've got stuff all over the place. My razor storage is a mess because I've got stuff all in front of it and everything, and it's just gotten out of hand at my own fault, of course. And I'm trying to get all that organized. I got 2 new bookshelves. I don't know if any of y'all noticed from that video, but I have 2 new bookshelves that are larger. So I've got 4 bookshelves in there now, plus the shave fridge. And man, this lather is beautiful. Jeez, look at that. And I am hoping to have that all done before I go back to work on Monday, where I can give you guys a tour. Now, it's going to be a multi-room tour because my soaps are kind of all over the place and door hangers like this. I have 8 of them. Then have a few anomalies, you know, the micro artisans and things that are in another storage cabinet. So nothing like John Bonham's, of course, but I think I have a pretty decent collection, and I guess y'all want to see it. So we'll see how that goes. I'm working on it. All right, let's get this going. And I could not ask for a better lather. Jeez, so good. All right, I am running this in the aggressive setting this time. I haven't used that on the head. I did use it when I took down that week's worth of growth, and it did such a fantastic job. This razor is really impressing me. Really impressing me. Now for the head, the aggressive side is a bit more blade feely, I'm just noticing, so I'm going to be very careful. But I wanted to see what it was like for a head shave because I hadn't used that side yet. All right, doing good. The standard side has been perfectly fine. So I really don't know why I'm trying the aggressive side on the head because I only have 24 hours growth, but you know, for science. Beautiful. This fragrance is beautiful. These are one of these razors that it's going to be hard for me not to want to reach for it. My Ascender Eagle R1 is my #1 razor in my collection, and I was using it so much that I got it out of my den. I offered Doug Lane to borrow it when I met up with him at the Ariana and Evans meetup. I took it with me. And I let him borrow it. I said, "Listen, keep it as long as you want because I've got other razors that I haven't used. I got other razors coming in. I will never use them if this is in my den." Well, this razor is giving me the same vibes, and it's giving me the same feeling. I just want to use this razor every time. Crazy good. So I wanted to see how close a shave, the more aggressive side, or more efficient side, I should say. It is a little more blade feely, so I would say it definitely has more aggression too, but not crazy. I don't feel unsafe with it. I just realized, I'm going to have to pay attention to what I'm doing, as usual. I owe you guys a ton of razor reviews and others. I keep saying I'll have a full review for something, and I realize I just never get to doing that. So I'm going to have to go back and look and see all the times I promised a full review of something and didn't follow through and get that fixed here in 2026. I will do one for this. I'll talk more about it probably, probably sometime coming up the end of the week of the 5th. Now, speaking of the week of the 5th, which is the week I go back, so next week, I am doing a Noble Otter Week starting on Sunday. And I don't know exactly which one I'm beginning with yet, but I know Monday through Friday, I'm going to be doing the card series. And I'm going to be going in the order of Jack, Queen, King, Ace, Joker. That's Monday through Friday. Sunday and Saturday, I'm not sure exactly what I'm using on those days yet. But if you care to join me, feel free to do some Shave of the Day posts with Noble Otter. And as I mentioned in the live Shave Masters, Noble Otter is testing car air fresheners, and I'll talk more about that. I'm going to talk about all things Noble Otter during the Noble Otter week. So I'll have a video or two during that week. Fantastic shave. the clamping, believe it or not, I was kind of worried about that because it is a 4-piece razor. The clamping is actually quite superb. And I was a little worried about the knurling on this because it looked like it might be slick, but it's not. The grooves and indentions are perfectly placed. It is not slick at all. As y'all know, I do shower shave every day. Usually that's where I get my head shaves in. And I had no issues in the shower with it. Let me get this cleaned up real quick and then we will move on. Oop, might have got myself there at the end. We will see. All right, perfect. All right, let me get a rinse, come back up for the splash, and then the giveaway. Be right back. All right. Oh, that was great. Beautiful BBS. Beautiful shave. See if I can get the lather all off me. Oh, love it. Love it. All right. Set that right there. Okay, let's go for the splash. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, evergreen, piney, woody. Oh, geez, that is gorgeous. Wow. Get a little bit of star jelly. Not a whole lot. This colder weather. I tend to get a dry forehead anyway, but this colder weather seems to make it worse, of course, for dry skin. So just going to put a little bit there. And then usually any leftover, I'll go on my elbows there. Keep the dry elbows away. Trust me, it works. It's good stuff. Star jelly. Oh man, that smells amazing. So comes out this Friday. Don't miss it. I'm not sure what the label is going to look like. Don't know exactly what time. But yeah, Douglas fir is fantastic stuff. I think I need the EDP of that. Possibly a bar soap. I don't know if I have one, but that would be an awesome bar soap. Okay, so let's get moving. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Let me get my glasses on. I have mine all packed up in the original shipping box with the original packing, packed the best I could. I have some extra goodies in here, not craziness, but there's some Texan Shave swag in there and some other little things. There wasn't much room to fit much in there, but I've got some extras in there. But the bonus is, guys, I'm not just giving one set away. I am giving two. Well, I say myself and Doug Lane, You know him from Adopted Acres. You know him in the community as Sharpening and Shaving, Doug Lane. He said, hey, I'd like to give mine away too, Barry. So here we are. We're going to do 2 Advent calendars, 2025 Advent calendars given away. So the 2 winners, reach out to me and I'll get your information, and one of you I'll give to Doug. So one will be coming from Doug Lane in Ohio and one will be coming from me here in Texas. So there's going to be 2 winners, guys. Remember, this is CONUS only. So if you're not in the continental United States, we'll have to draw another name. But let's go to it. Now I've got everything loaded. We have 49 in the comment picker. And let's go ahead and hit that, pick a winner. See who the first one is. The first one is AS Watson 76, hashtag CultaCube. This is an awesome giveaway. I skipped this year's calendar, so people that did not get one last year had an opportunity to get one. Congratulations, my friend. Let me see if I can get that to focus. There we go. So that is the first winner. And let's get the next one. So let's pick a winner. Do it here on the screen. And the second winner is Frank Sternolio 5480, hashtag CultaCube. Awfully generous of you, brother. Keep making videos and I'll keep watching. Thanks for all you do in the community of ours. Well, thank you for watching, sir. I do this because it's fun. I'm glad you guys enjoy it. And something else I noticed when I was looking at my year-end stats for YouTube, I am 9 subs away from 1,000, guys. Wow, that really humbles me. As I've always said, I wasn't expecting 991 subs, 9 subs, much less 991. So I don't know who wants to watch this old man shave and make a fool of himself, but there we are. I'm having fun. You're enjoying it. I will keep doing it as long as all that still keeps happening. But there we go. We got the 2 winners, guys. Reach out to me and get me your information, and I will get one of you over to Doug, and we'll get these shipped out ASAP. Happy New Year. I hope it is a grand and glorious, prosperous, and wonderful 2026 for all of you. Find your peace and what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.